Hello sunshine, Josh is here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I finish this look and stay tuned. Alright guys, I already applied some toner and lotion on my face, so I'm gonna just go ahead start with the foundation. This color that I picked is quite similar as my skin tone. Hopefully you will see something different soon. The makeup sponges, then blend it. So far from what I look from the mirror, it's pretty good. And it doesn't feel heavy, pretty light though. Concealer, use this green to cover on really red pimples. And there's some here too. And especially right over here. And we use the same brush to turn the other side. And I'm going to use this a little bit red to cover up my dark circles. Behind my eye corner here is always so dark and I have to light it up. And also apply some under my lips here. And the other color I will apply smiling lid. Then I'm going to do the same step, blend it. I'm gonna be very gentle. I don't want to wear a very heavy makeup, especially from today's tutorial. So I'm going to take a little bit time to blend it. So in somewhere colors still look so obvious, and I'm going to apply a little bit on the top. I'm going to use the MAYBELLINE concealer as well to cover my some color I apply as the first layer. Kinda a little bit like a brighten up. I've been using almost all the videos, and the reason why is just because it's so moisture, pretty stable a day. And now I'm going to use the MAC face powder instead to use brush to apply the face powder. And because I don't want all the concealer I have been covered up to be removed. You can tell I'm applying a little bit heavy from my face powder. That's what I always love to do. Now it's my basic makeup is already finished. And meanwhile, I'm going to tell you guys today my eyebrows wanted to be matched with eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the same colors. Eyebrows brushes, this kind. You instead to use the eyebrow pencil, I'm thinking about might be too harsh for my eyebrows look. Use the eye palette, eyeshadow to instead. And making some shadows, not being too harsh. And just fill it up. Brown eyebrows, I'm using this color. Basically, I just follow my eyebrow shade. So just make it easy and simple. Eyeliner pencil I use for today. You can just use the small Q-tip, and very helpful to draw a eyeliner, and also to draw a little bit under eyeliner here and here, just with a little bit. Eye corner, gonna always just fill it up. It's very important for the makeup. So pretty much will be like this for my eyeliner. And now I'm going to apply the eyeshadow on top of liners. This is orange tone, which is I'm going to use today. Apply a little bit top on the behind. And under here, I'm going to apply all the way to my eye corner. And also use the brush to blend the eyeliner I just draw and make it more soft. So you see here's a little bit my eyeliner under, and I'm just applying the color on the top a little bit, only halfway, only my eye. And rest of the color I'm just tap it again, but not too crazy. And for today's color, I'm going to use this brush with the pink. So on here, very pink look. Just play with some dots. Beauty spongy to blend it. Not take too much into my eyebrow, but definitely blend it all out. And onto my cheek. Going to do the same thing from the other side. Also use a little bit pink left on the beauty sponge on the chin, more matching. So I'm going to apply a little bit more from here. I just would like to make more emphasis under here. Blush palettes. I will be using Peachy Look to tap on it first. Just wanted to make a color pop. Same idea. Blend it all out. This is just so fun to apply all the color over the face. Just feels so fashion. I'm going to use this palette as well to choose this color to apply on my brows. Because up my eyelid, I didn't apply anything on it. So use the same thing technique to make this area more brighter. Just blend it all out. For this step, I have learned from some YouTubers how they play with their wrinkles. So I'm going to show you guys as well. And then I just tap with the fingers because they still moisture quite much. And also apply some on the top. Just doing it exactly like a footprint. I'm gonna give a little bit highlight look. Just tap it with my finger. A little bit on my nose, from my eyebrows. But doesn't want to go too insane. This color. To start with my eye, then just gently to blend it all into here. But not touch to my eyebrows. I think I'm quite quiet today because I'm really enjoying to create this look. Alright sunshine, if you guys enjoy English version of makeup tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.